Hi everyone, my name is Josh Hong, and behind me is my assistant. And I'm going to show you guys exercises um, to help with shoulder dislocation. So I'm going to show you one preventative and one rehabilitative. So let's get to it. Hi everyone, again, it's Josh Hong, my assistant. So I'm going to show her a multi-joint exercise that is to prevent injury. It's preventative injury. So grab the bar, please.
Okay. And this is a barbell.
There. Okay. You should strike the elbow. Shoulder width.
Okay.
Probably a little bit more straight. Okay. That shoulder width. Good. So now you need to get ready to lift the bar on your chest. And then when this happens, you want to bring the elbows forward along with your line of sight. Elbows forward. And then knees and hips must remain tight and long. And then when this happens, the bar is lifted past your head, so lift it up. Tilt your head back slightly, there we go. And then let the bar pass down. Raise the bar till the elbows are locked. There we go. That's good. And then take a deep breath. Top. Fill your chest with air. There we go. That's good. Okay? So let the bar touch your upper chest and repeat again. Okay. Some things that you might need to look out for. Obviously, balance is key. That's one thing. The things you need to watch out to make sure you do not do incorrectly is, so what I want to make sure you don't do is keep your head up. Do not keep your head up and watch the bar. Yeah, don't do that.
So straight ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eyes forward. Do not keep elbows wide through the motion. Don't do this. No.
Okay.
And then do not lean back too far. Don't do that. You want to lean back a little bit. There we go. And then don't bounce the weight onto your legs. Don't do that. That's not good. Keep your legs straight. Okay. So what I want you to do today, or for the next week, is 3 sets of this exercise and have 5 reps of them. And then do it 3 times per week. Does that sound good?
That's good.
Okay. Thank you, class. Hi, everyone. And I'm back. It's Josh, my awesome assistant. So I'm going to show her a rehabilitative exercise today. So let's get to it.
Does that mean
So if you
a single joint or a
single,
rehabilitate is a single joint?
yeah. So when you get injured, get out of the injury. Okay. All right. So next, I'm going to show you the rehabilitative injury exercise called the lateral raise with a resistant band. You're going to do this is to step on the band with your, I guess, right foot. Yeah. Okay. Bring arms, shoulder out to the side. Bring them down slowly. Make sure you do this slowly. And put the band on the left foot. And then pull with the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Put your band on the left foot. And there you go. Now, you're going to pull to the right. There you go.
Both or And then
the right height.
Mm-hmm. And both?
Yeah, and try to.
Okay.
And obviously you want slow and controlled, and then you can use a mirror to check to make sure your technique is good.
Okay.
Alright? Good. When you do this exercise, you exhale to the top and inhale going down. So, top. There we go, that's good. Okay, so some things to look out for doing this exercise. You do not want to go too low. Yeah, don't do that. You don't want to go way too high. Yeah, you don't want to do that either. Nice flex at the top. Do not go down fast. Don't do that.
Okay, slow. All right.
And try not to look down. I know sometimes things can take our focus away.
Okay.
But we just want to make sure.
Okay.
And then the routine I want you guys to do are 3 sets, or awesome assisting, 3 sets of this exercise. Do 7 reps of them for 5 times a week.
Okay.
That sound good?
Sounds good.
Thank you, everyone.